Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy Ukatlego Ntariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto Kafele Yamotsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Welcome to Ikota and Chill bafethu. Welcome to a PSE channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uti Soweto Siketo bafethu, and don't forget to click on your membership button to become a member and get exclusive content. Currently Food Bar bafethu at Deep Roof, where we sell proper food, not just a makota because it's Kota and Chill. Sinama pork trotters, sinomkhodu, sine steak. It's a place to vibe. You can even book the place if you wanna have fun. So if you wanna follow me, it's Katlego_Mula. Then if you wanna follow Ikota and Chill, it's Kota and Chill on all digital platform. Hey, silungu sinokuspina, eh? Sit. Namhlanje ke bafethu decided ukulanda intombazane because most of the time sazi ukuthi spinning is all about for isport samajita, isport samatag yabo. So namhlanje ngiphethe uDankie Dali. You understand bafethu? So my sister, hey man, yabo ukuthi ukhona mani in the building, yabona, in the building bafethu nginethela uDankie Dali also explain more about this spinning. So if you are a female and you are interested into spinning, this episode is for you. So thank you Dali. Nyabonga ukuthi uzelo Kota and Chill. Hopefully subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Manga check ifoni yakho.
Ngacheka.
Ngiyakuthemba because yazi why omunye umuntu bekazothi hayi ifoni data hayi. Subscribe and subscribe nani emakhaya. Before mangibulise estradeni ngicheck ifoni yakho ukuthi subscribe na. So my sister, ngicela experience utshela abantu ukuthi ubani uDankie Dali yabo, egama lamampela, ubuyaphi, teenagehood, bekafunda phi, before bane 3 to 5 bekayenzani ngempilo yakhe.
Okay, sanibonani. Igama lami lamampela unalo.
Nalo.
Yeah, unalo, but ku spinning ngibizwa uDankie Dali. Ngikhulele eMeadowlands. Ngithi kuseMeadowlands zone 5.
Okay.
Yeah, angazazi ukuthi ngizothini, ngikhulele zone 5. eMeadowlands. I'm from home here, single parent. Ubaba mashona ngisasemncane.
Right.
And ngina 2 older sisters, and then ubhuti wami washona ngo-2010. Currently Tingbon, from growing up, I don't even know what things but ngikhulele eMeadowlands. Bengifunda in Sandton, high school ngiqedelele in Alberton, and then I went to varsity, and then after obviously maqeda isikolo uyasebenza.
Yeah.
Ngumama. Nginomntwana my son igama lakhe uMalik.
Malik.
Yeah, uMalik.
Shout out Malik.
Malik is 13 years old, and I think Malik is the reason why inhliziyo yami ishaya every day. I live for that little man. I'm also an aunt. I've got a nephew, Kamalaki Okaka.
Kaka.
Yeah, Okaka, and that's just basically about me. But my just ngihlala la Deep Roof. So ngihlala Deep Roof zone 4, and yeah.
Yeah. So kunento manje engizwile manje ngishaya dizi kancane. Uthi wofunda eSandton?
Yes.
Like as in Sandton City.
Yeah.
Why you
Not a mall, man.
Mina phela manje eSandton esicabanga imall. Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi Pep ekhona iPep eSandton?
Emall ayikho.
Ayikho iPep eSandton ne? Ila square. Sijayela.
Ayikho nala square mfethu.
Ikhona iPep.
Hayi ama cellphone ayimpahla.
So I was telling you Jenny yaseSandton, should wena ukhuluma isilungu?
Yes, ngikhuluma isilungu, but I am Venda by birth.
I can tell by the things on your hands.
Venda, but obviously you know ukuthi culture yami angilahlanga at all.
Yeah.
But umama took me to a good school. So yeah, it's not by choice, but yeah.
It's by finance.
It's by finance. You can say that.
Yeah.
You can say that.
So bomingela kanjani nabantu basikazi because ufunda eSandton, mina ngifunda eLijwela Putso, omunye ufunda eKuthuleni, omunye ufunda eThabisile, omunye ufunda eFidelitas, sihlale eKaseliwane.
You know, mina I'm umuntu othanda abantu. I'm not umuntu engizitshelayo ukuthi because I went to a school esingekho elokishini ngingcono than everybody else. Ngikhule abantu ekhasi lami ngidlala nabo bengidlala estradeni. Like ngikhule ngidlala yonke into, like yonke into umgusha, like everything. And even my relationship, my first relationship was ekhasi. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Awuthola ngesentini?
So no.
Wena udlala ngemali wena. Umzali uyabhetha uyabhetshulula.
Hayi ni.
Yeah, mntana yami, yeah.
Yeah, so angisumuntu ozibeka phezulu. I'm just umuntu wasekhasi because ngihlala nasekhasi. And even living la eDiepkloof is also by choice because I prefer ukuba around the community and to have, you know, uthando lo community akufana esentini awumazi umakhelwane wakho ukuthi ubani. Mina la eDiepkloof umakhelwane wami uyicancela uGodfrey.
Icancela?
Yeah, icancela yala. Yeah, ngapha yakule ward le.
Sikuthole kahle sinenkinga ovela umuntu umdlulisela zona. Yeah, number 1 ugesi Godfrey ama-robot lawa acimile sichayiswa imoto.
Yangana sentengisho esilungwini anyeke kube nayo leyo nto leyo awumazi umuntu ohlale next door ukuthi ubani ngesinye isikhathi awukazi umbona nokumbona. So for me bekungasinto engithandayo and that's why ngisasela.
Yazi mara ngeke nganotice something. Why labantwana abafunda esichizini after school and change uniform? Why nifuna ukusifilisa?
Mina umama makadlali kanjalo. Bekangadlali kanjalo even namanje. Nama ngidlali kanjalo. Mawubuye esikoleni ngishintsha uniform. Dlala kanjani nge-uniform mara doesn't even make sense.
Ukuthi ufunde sentini.
No. Yeah, so mina umama beyangadlali kanjalo you get home ukhumula uniform yesikolo. You know, unless if mhlambe bengifika endlini kungena muntu and then ngiye next door then I'm forced to be in uniform until umama buye esikolweni. But otherwise even nami nomntanami buye esikoleni uyashintsha. You're not at school anymore. So impatha uzikhaya uhambe uyodlala.
Yeah. So njengoba umntana wakhe ugeleza va. Sizwe wena kuye sentini.
Ufuna igama lesikole?
Yeah.
Umntana ufunda esikoleni esibizwa ukuthi Our Lady of Lebanon.
Ngicela nokulizwa ngeke ngilikhulume. Our Lady of Lebanon.
Yeah.
My sister uzenzela igama la yini Our Lady of Lebanon.
Yeah, ufunda lapho.
Yini isigele esinjani lezo?
It's a private school.
Wow, wena unemali wena?
Anginamali, ngiyasebenza nje. I just work hard. Yeah.
So yeah. Tell us more about the school. Yabona igela zasekhasi uyazazi. You understand? Ukhule nabantu abafunda ekhasi.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
I-foundation ekhasi uyalazi.
Yes.
If you compare lesigela ofunda kuzo nesigela somntanakho lesafunda kuzo nalegela zala ekhasi, what do you think is shorting?
You know, I don't know what is shorting because angazi nga experience. But one thing for sure that I know and I'm aware of the difference is the number of students in a class. I know ukuthi lokishini classes maybe overcrowded, you know, and teacher we one. And I know ukuthi mina esikoleni so umntana wami eclassini it's not more than 15. So that's the difference ukuthi ikhona. But nakhona I'm not saying lento le because ngiyampola. But it's the reality, the reality, fact yakhona, you know, and ezinye izinto kamampela ziyenga affordability. Yeah.
Yazi makhuluma kanti manje ithena negeleza ba public sonke ngisho. So
and there's nothing wrong.
There's nothing wrong. There's share istulo thina nge-exam.
And we are talking the same English. So I understand that we can conversate. Like, there's no difference. It's just the preference.
Khuluma nami English is a soul.
I think, Mina, to be honest, one of the biggest things is ukuthi iy'kolo zaselokishini there's not that much sports.
Facts.
So yabo umntana uthanda rugby, he gets to play rugby, he gets to play touch rugby, he gets to play soccer, he gets to play he's learning amanye language outside of South Africa. So I think that's one of the biggest things ezingenza ukuthi ngiphushe kakhulu because okay ngiyambona ukuthi uthanda sports. Yes ngamletha la lokishini ngaba emsho ngaba rich ngayenza double story. But because of the lack of sports, you know, I think that's one of the things ezenza ukuthi choice yami kube yileyo.
Yeah, so into esho nami ngeke ngicabanga ukuthi we need more sports yabo. Esigela zasekhasi boma cricket, boma tennis, boma hockey, boma chess. Yabo lezo zinto lezo like kungabi ibhola kuphela.
Kungabi ibhola ne netball kuphela.
Yeah, because sibone izwe sisaphila the same culture. Yabo. So awusitshele ke mase ngifuna unwind yabo. Ngifuna uzungijwayele like ungasabi nakho mara sengiyakubona songena ey'ntweni yabo.
Okay.
So first love yakho umuntu waselokishini wawengajwayelanga esentini beba 2 sentini. You like rough things?
No, I think azange ngize ngibe nayo opportunity because after school umama bese kangilandile and bese ngiyekhaya.
Oh.
So I think azange ngize ngibe naleyo opportunity leyo yokuthi I can stay after school unless if kune sports, and if kune sports you are doing whatever sports usenzayo and then mesiphela umama ukhona and then I'm going home.
Yeah,
and also remember ukuthi ngifunde sentini but ngihlale lokishini. So maba nama party nani it's difficult for me ukuthi ngi-attend lawo ma party because ukusuke Soweto ngisasemncane to go to attend a party endlini yomlungu. It was yabo, and back then dala. Yeah. Dala.
Yeah. So so you teenager manje ne. Now scale siceda uba ne first love.
Yeah.
Ungangitshela ukuthi abakaze bayivahlaza inhliziyo yazidlali
Umjolo mfethu.
Futhi obu teenager as umama, this is the platform you educate abantu abajola as ama teenager. Abantu because there's a high teenage pregnancy.
Yes.
Abantu bayagula, abantu abadala sebalala nabantwana.
Yeah.
As a parent, I think it's a perfect platform to educate the kids about umjolo ukuthi uyanyisa.
You know, mina, I believe ukuthi yes umjolo uyanyisa at all stages, not just masasemncane namanje nje in this age umjolo usanyisa.
Usanyisa?
No, sengiyasho nje angikhulumeli mina but mina ngishap mina for now, yeah.
Okay.
But into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi you can't stop, ngeke ustope abantwana or umntwana wakho ukuthi angene ku relationship. But I believe ukuthi as umzali you can guide umntana based on history yakho, based on experience yakho ukuthi don't do this, ungayenzi kanje, you know, but you inhliziyo yenye into, you know, you can't stop umntana ukuthi athande, and you can't say ukuthi ungathandi kakhulu. So mina i-advice nje enginayo mekufika nje emjoleni ukuthi landela inhliziyo yakho, enza into ekwenza happy wena. But if you find yourself in a relationship and uzithola ukuthi you are not getting lento leyo uyifunayo, choose yourself always. Yinto engayisho mina.
No. So as a black female lady waselokishini, yabo, we have many difficulties that you are facing, yabo. We have gender-based violence, which is caused abo malume bethu nabo bhuti bethu. That thing igcine affecta thina abantwana abakhule bayibukela sigcine sesiyenza nathi. Yeah, what do you think about the gender-based violence? Because these days asenzeke abafanele kuphela namantombazana ashaya abafana.
Yes.
Yeah, it's in both ways, and we are growing a relationship. Yeah, what's your take about that?
You know, I say no to gender-based violence in indlela. It's something ukuthi I advocate for yona kakhulu. It's painful to see umuntu ashawa. You know, mhlambe uthola ukuthi intombazane ishawa umfana and kubo akashawa nokushawa. It's painful to see killings lawa yenzakalayo. And you know, with that being said, I'd like to mention ukuthi mina, I think if I'm not wrong, around the year 2017 I lost my best friend, Unomalizo. She was shot dead, multiple bullets by a boyfriend. And that we thought it was his boyfriend. So I advocate so strongly against gender-based violence. You know, ukuthi ukwata. As ukuthi ngizothi mhlambe umuntu ukwata kakhulu, and then maso ukwatile you react, and then maso reactile so yazisola, you know. So I feel it's difficult nalento engizoyisho ukuthi inzima nami self noma ngikwatile ngiyahluleka ukuthi walk away and just say ngicela 5 minutes, ngicela 10 minutes, ngicela hour ngibuye sengiyehlile. It's not an easy thing ukuthi uyenze, and I believe ukuthi that's why abantu abaningi bazithola kulawo ma situation la ukuthi so ushaye umuntu ngempama abe ne brain damage. Yabona into elula kanjalo, uphusha umuntu uphethe umese, you know, it's not your intention ukuthi uyombulala, but because you're so angry ugcina somgwaza umuntu, and that's your life, that's the rest of your life, and leyo muntu loyo ngeke aphinda avuke, ngeke aphinda abuye. There's nothing, no amount of sorry, no amount of apology, no amount of tears will bring that person back.
Yeah.
So one thing that I'd like abantu ukuthi see practice ukuthi when you're angry ngaphandle kokuthi go and seek counseling, because the counseling nathi for abantu abamnyama it's something engazathi ngiyokhuluma inkinga zami emuntwini unga-understand akusinto esiyijwayele you understand ne? But try and walk away and come back. Mhlambe if siku relationship mina nawe sibe ne-culture yokuthi mengikwatile siyavumelana ukuthi mesikwatile ama-voice sewale or sesiphakeme and then sophinde
because lento le oyisho it's a solution. I think if oyiwana yaphezulu bafethu there's no need for you ukuthi uyephezulu nawe. Sometimes let the female be the bigger person or the male be the bigger person, but after an hour lento leni izoyi-rectify. So I saw a clip on TikTok whereby ubaba upoison abantwana uyangithola, then baqeda ukupoison abantwana apoison umntwana okuqala, then umntwana okuqala ashona. Maqeda ukushona umntwana okuqala afonela umama womntwana atshela umama womntwana ukuthi angikaqedi ngisazobacedelela. Basayisa lo esibhedlela lo munye endlini yacollapse yashona. So like angazi ukuthi what's happening, why uthando lolu liyenza ukuthi ubulala ifamily yonke. Uma uqedile nawe uyazihenga uthini ngathi laba basele.
Hey yabona, I can't even speak on behalf of labantu laba, but mina ngiyazibuza nje ukuthi uthando lunjani. But you know what ne, I think all of us sesike sa experience ukuthanda umuntu. Ukuthanda umuntu lokho ukuthi like but I feel for low mama loyo because she must have definitely been traumatized. The trauma phela leyo. The trauma, I don't think ukuthi she'll ever come back from that. But sonke akekho umuntu ongaze oye sonke sike sathanda umuntu.
In that point.
You know what I mean? Yeah. I think it's just something, and nakhona when you've experienced it, I feel ukuthi you need to grow from leyo experience leyo, you know what I mean? So that next time you know ukuthi ishazi ngeke ngathanda umuntu, ngeke ngathanda omunye umfana igama lakhe kuthiwa usibani and ngacisha ngayenza enye into, but now I know ukuthi based on the experience how Flabba lost his life. Girl went to jail. Girl went to jail. I don't think when she woke up that day she thought ukuthi uzoye Sun City
or uyaphupha baby. Maybe nightmare.
You know what I mean? So ezinye izinto kumele uhlale in the back of your mind if umuntu okwatayo to remember ukuthi hey, you know what, like the smallest mistake can end up sekuyinkinga for my life.
Eish bafethu bengicela nithathe lamagama esiwakhulumayo yabo. If umuntu ufila ngathi asamthandi, like ungathathi impilo yakhe dog, you have plenty of options of walking away. Just walk away and find peace and find happiness, man. Happiness is everywhere.
And unfortunately it's not easy umuntu mamtshela ukuthi awusamfuni ukuthi accept. I think that's also another hurdle ekumele sidlule kuyo ukuthi umuntu makathi akasakufuni. You know, it's hard to accept, but also accept ukuthi ungagcini usoyislima. Yabo ungagcini so ukuthi so gijimisana umuntu ongakufuni. You know what I mean? And then you end up doing mhlambe umbulalela leyo nto leyo because mhlambe move on yena. But ukutshelile ukuthi akasakufuna ngithi, but when you didn't want to listen to leyo nto leyo seka move on gcina manje so uyabastalka, life yakho ayisekho right manje. So ezinye izinto that I think we experience as human beings. And
but kunenye into futhi yenzakalayo whereby you amantombazana hustle men ne, even men hustle women. Because of the situation uthola ukuthi wena uzela eSoweto awunandawo yokuhlala bese mina ngiyakushare because nginendawo yokuhlala ngihlala nawe ngibhadalela ama-academics wakho ukuthi ufunde uhambe uyevethi ube udoctor ube yonke into, then when you have a house and a car bese uyangidampa ezi out ocala ngayo. So I think amanye ama-reasons ayenza amajita ukuthi abulala amantombazana. I'm not saying it's right.
Yes. I'm not saying it's right 100%, it's not right. But those things happen in life, you know, excluding general example lewinikile abantu bayayuzana kuma relationship unenhlanhla mangabe uthole umuntu and lo muntu lo is like literally genuine. You know, but I think into yama relationship is very complex.
It's very big when you're complex ingakanani. But umuntu oyi-one bafethu guys jola nomuntu oyi-one into isithemba isebenzi. Ayizokwati crew yami bheka bangikhomba kanjani. Mina ngiyaba-advocate tela.
Yeah.
One woman,
One man.
one love.
Yeah.
Bomba glad. So my sister, let's dive into you after varsity. Then you venture into school.
Oh no, so
no,
into
into
work.
work.
Yeah. So
Sorry,
after
Bafethu.
varsity, I started working. Yeah, I think I worked all my life. I'm currently still working. I work in HR. I'm a student. I'm actually graduating my honors in 2 weeks' time. I'm off to Bloemfontein, Rio, graduator. I'm graduating in financial planning law. So, Minanje, you know, yabona like lento isho ukuthi like thank you darling sema BMA izinto ezifana lezo like spinning. A lot of people look at you and bacabanga ukuthi I don't know khona gangster efana nami, but anyway bantu bazongibheka bathi gangster i-gangster
khona ukuthi ufuna mekuphi
wifihlile
kude kahle
uzoza abantu bakhuluma izinto like kuyabona mawudlula then umuntu athi mamsgebeng. I don't like that because I'm not that. You know, I'm an academic. I'm a mother. You know what I mean? I'm an
advocate.
Yeah, I understand anything you show. Yes, 100%. So I think Uguti, people have this thing mhlambe twisted, but I've worked mainly in the insurance industry, and I'm actually currently still in the insurance industry. I'm a businesswoman. Like I do a lot. Yeah. I really do a lot in Katsami because ngithanda imali.
You're at that chalete, papa.
Because ngithanda imali, and if I'm not busy, if I'm not doing anything, if I'm not advancing ingqondo yami, if ngihleli and angifundi, and you know my mind, you know, idle minds.
Yeah.
Then imali izobuya kuphi. So I must grow. I must study. I must improve kuleyo field leyo engisebenza kuyo, so that nama boss mawangibheka they're like, oh okay.
Detela baba.
Yeah.
So angazi ukuthi le question mangayibuza izo infringe umsebenzi wakho or izokucoshisa. You would like to know more about your work. Nidila ngani, nenzani, kwenzakalani.
So the company ngisebenzelayo, it deals insurance, so that is sales of amapolisi, sales of insurance products. So menkhuluma ngamapolisi, I'm talking about funeral cover, life cover, disability cover, severe illness cover. Menkhuluma ngamapolisi, I'm talking about investments, I'm talking about retirement annuity, planning for your future, not just thinking about today, but thinking ukuthi ngelinye ilanga you're going to stop working and then imali izobuya kuphi. I-company yami idila car insurance, a whole lot. But mina within HR, we deal with training. So new employees bafikela kithi, we hire and fire, izinto ezifana nalezo.
Oh.
Yeah.
Angitshele. Kunomunye umntana kithi like ne ayikabi family nizongikwatela ngizoxola. Into enzakalile. Bekabhadalela umamakhe ipolice every month. He used to pay the policy. Manje untwana umamakhe bamncwabile sharp. Akubi nama payouts like after where.
So it depends ukuthi type of policy ayithathile yani umamakhe. Ngithi umamakhe uba nothatha policy umamakhe. Umamakhe. So yabona that
wonke umuntu.
Yabona it depends on the type of policy ayithathile. I feel like, you know, there's such a disconnect in terms of people understanding ukuthi insurance isebenza kanjani. I can take out i-policy mhlambe mina ngi-applyele i-disability cover. Ngomama nginje. Mengishona umalik agijime aye ku-insurance company athi uyoclaima for my death, for my life cover or funeral cover. Magafika bamtshela ukuthi you're not going to qualify for anything because your mother did not take out disability cover. Did not take out life cover or funeral cover. She was paying for disability cover. So I feel like there's a disconnect where people don't understand the types of products that they're applying for. If disability cover is going to cover you in the event of you getting disabled, be it a physical disability or a functional disability, but it's for disability. Mawushona i-disability cover ingeni indawo. So I think there's a disconnect, and you need to understand now more applyela whatever insurance, the insurance bucket that you're applying for, you need to understand what is it that I'm taking. If umama koseka kulile and une insurance, you also need to understand ukuthi mama insurance yakho yini, ithini, mawushona kuzoyenzakalani. And so that you don't end up ama-insurance company lawa afakwa kuma-Facebook ukuthi hey abangibhatalanga or
Baze
ini
ukote nje.
or abantu bathatha ama-coffee bawayise kuma-office. You have to understand what product it is when you're applying for it ungaka, and you also need to apply you also need to understand what did my mother apply for.
Yeah. So when I apply njani, which is the best policy, like ukuthi noma ungavala amehlo but I know ukuthi abantu labami bazobenefit.
Yeah.
Abomama ba change mibenza into ezilong cause abazi badala labantu.
Yes.
Bayenziswa.
Yes.
Which one is the best policy you think it is?
I can never choose and say one policy is the best because I'm a policy I cover different things. So I can't say go to disability cover and then kusasa you contract a serious illness, cancer, heart attack, stroke. Then mina ngithetha disability. Then masoshawa is stroke manje how mara long jelang ukuthi khona cover is stroke. Yeah, understand anything is sure. So there are various types of insurance cover, and I think ukuthi umuntu kumele nje uthole a broker or a salesperson also khona ukuthi nibe ne understanding, also khona ukuthi explainele so that now we understand ukuthi having life cover and serious illness cover and disability say cover the bare minimum. If one day I get into an accident, sengihlala ku wheelchair ngiyazi ukuthi ngicovered. If one day ngivuka bathi ngine cancer, I know ukuthi ngicovered. If one day ngiyashona, I know ukuthi abantwana bami indlu anyeke idliwe ibond. Bazothola imali bazokhona ukungcwaba. But excluding lezi engikhuluma ngazo, there's also investing. You need to invest imali yakho ikhulu. You need to be aware ukuthi when you go on retrenchment, not retrenchment, when you go on retirement, iSARS iyoyidla kanjani imali yakho, because iSARS anyeke ike kuningi
ngibhekile.
Yeah, iSARS anyeke izikiyeke mase uye kumsebenzi sekumele uthole imali zakho. iSARS uyothatha imali yayo qala.
Mara why? Cause akuseyaphi.
Angazi yabo angazi. South Africa either way ngakhona ngazi.
Sebenzela abantu abahleli la.
Angazi.
Yeah, my sister ngaqhubeka.
Yeah. So as I was saying Guti, you need to understand the different types of insurances. Khona something futhi bayibiza ukuthi it's a tax-free account. You can also take a tax-free account. I'm a tax-free account futhi khona ukwa access phone, and I've got a tax-free account that I can access phone yami ngazi ukuthi imali yami ikhula kanjani, idonsa kanjani without me having to contact the broker yami. So I feel ukuthi when it comes to insurance, umuntu mele ube nomuntu omthembayo ozohlala explainela understand ukuthi nan onazo zisebenza kanje, ushoda ngento so asenze kanje, asicale ngemali phansi, or mhlambe une 10,000 you want to invest your 10,000, that's also possible. Kayenzakala bonke lokho ku insurance. Yeah.
So when umuntu obukele ekhaya maybe ufuna that thing uyakwazi ukubasiza ngalento leyo.
No, I don't do sales, but I can refer to abantu ukuthi bayathengisa ama-police, ama-sales advisor, definitely.
Yeah. So if you need a sales advisor, email Kwata&Chill, inbox Kwata&Chill, or inbox mina ngizozamenza amamenzo ngihlanganise my sister, then you proceed.
Yes, I'll definitely refer you. Yeah.
Bekunjani ukuthola your first job after varsity? Dina sasoko lokazokwaphela amateki.
So when I left high school, I studied marketing in university and marketing, and then my first job had nothing to do with marketing. I've never actually even worked in a marketing role, by the way.
Highway.
Yeah.
Fraud.
Angaze actually. Excitement yokuthola umsebenzi, I think iyafana for anyone, whether uthola umsebenzi uyacleaner, whether uthola umsebenzi uyi-CEO, whether uthola umsebenzi usebenza pick it up, whether usebenza khona la nase-food bar. Having a job is exciting because you are able to provide for the family. Yes, I think especially as a woman, you know, we understand ukuthi abantu besifazane every month you go to recycle yakho. When you're not working, ukucela kunzima ukucela noma umuntu azi ukuthi, or even if uhlala nomuntu for an example, noma azi ukuthi every month this is what's happening, kunzima ukucela. So when you have a job, I think ukuthi it's something that's mawuqala ukuthola umsebenzi uba excited ngendlela eyisimanga, because you know ukuthi I can provide for myself. Monomntwana, I can do this and this and this for myself, because imali le buya ku grant incane.
Incane. Imali invele imali grant yabantwana.
Anginane idea.
abagaba iholi konje ne
No, angeke ngaboshwa. Ngaba i-fraud.
390
idea.
hayi sorry mina ngenza umntana ngizonitshela next episode yeah name my sister yeah so waqala ukusipana wasebenza so abantwana baseSoweto first thing abayifunayo it's either singing, acting, playing netball, being a modeler. That's a typical Kasi girl. You from Sandton, Bafunde Sandton, you decided to join a culture, Yamal 325 IS, which is classified as gangsterism.
Yeah.
Why Yoda? And who made you to be interested in you?
You know, what I must say is that I worked for many years. Into yokungena ema BME into spinning, it's not something ekale ngisasebenza. When I first started my first job or my second or my third job, I think it's my 5th year manje. Ngiqale just before COVID and ngahlala 2 years during the COVID singakhona ukwenza anything. Ngaqalisa You know, I used to date this guy, Owangisa, the very first time showing yase Wheels and Smoke. So obviously, kasi abona ma BMS spina, abona the likes of our Upubezi, especially from Emirolensi. I used to see a lot of Upubezi. Ngimkhohliwe lo munye ubhuti.
Abo Jeff bongababoni bona.
Abo Jeff ngingahlala across the road.
Yeah, Jeff.
Yeah, kabo wamntana is like, you know, like a sabo Jeff. Jeff have attended the show yakhe lesikhatha sa host lapha eShoprite before kuba iShoprite.
Yeah,
lapha emuva ngale.
Yeah, amaphoyisa asezani ngetear gas la.
Ayi bengekho ngalelo langa lelo mara I experienced spinning sasekasi through that. You know, ama legends ala eKasi.
Abotopia.
Yes, but bengahlala eDeep so bengabazi that much.
Yeah.
Attend kwami show ngaya Wheels and Smoke, and I remember the first female ngingambona, you know, bengasiza into ngizilandela na ku Facebook, and this is something I'm telling you about angane 10 years. The first female ngambona uMusisi kuthiwa uNovisto.
Ayi
khona siswe khala kuthiwa uNovisto.
Ayi lo ospela ngeBM elipink ne?
Manje limaroon.
Manje limaroon.
Yeah, I don't know back then.
Ayi Novisto.
And mengimbona I was like, huh?
Yey.
Like kwenzakalani amantombazana?
What kind?
And then mase ngicala ukuchecka sengiyabona ukuthi akhona amantombazana mos akhona, you know. And then I started wondering ukuthi akuphi amantombazana?
Oh.
You understand? Where are the black girls?
Yeah.
Where are the black girls?
Where are the black girls? Shaming because it's
I'm not. No. I'm skin shaming. In all honesty, ngamampela. I majority colored girls, Indian girls, yibo baphethe.
Yeah.
And ngazibuza ngathi ngifuna ukuyijoina lento lena yazini, like I feel like I want to join this thing. And yeah, ngathenga imoto.
Malini imoto?
Ngithenga 320 eZakaria Park. I remember there was a guy kama lakhe uPapi owangifonela ukuthi nalo ngiyakhumbula ukuthi uthofuna iBM khona iBM ebalithengisa la eZakaria Park. I went to Zakaria Park ngalithenga nge20,000 rand. 20? Yeah.
Ngobi. Belbala like Belgrand.
No, bekuyiBM nje lingaka modify iphela ziya modify wangithi ne for ukuthi spin.
Yeah.
And be cream white yo leyakhala bengayithandi. Ngayisa ngapha kumalume wami la extension bayipenda yaba ready. Ngidrive ngiyemsebenzini nechomi yami ukeke sihamba siyemsebenzini sisebenza together. And then one day I decided we spin. And from then on azange ngisabheke move.
Stop.
Azange ngisastopa. Khona manje sengine spin BM sengwele 3. But leli yalokuqala lisasekhona lapha eJardini. Lela ngaqala ukuspina lisasekhona lapha eJardini. And you know, currently I'm the Queen of Smoke, the reigning Queen of Smoke.
Yes sir.
And you know, akhona ama competition dawa siyawa entara, but it's not easy. Spinning is a very expensive sport.
Yeah.
Spinning siyadura kakhulu ayikancane, and mele ukhule man nawe ku-spinning ube advanced in terms of ukuthi ukwazi ukwenza ama-obstacles, not just ku-ground nje.
Yeah.
Ukwazi ukuthi wenze ama-obstacles and akho lula.
Like abokhishini.
Abokhishini akho lula zonke lezi zinto. I mean khona manje I think khana manje last year this time khana bengifunda ukudrifta. Bengakwazi ukudrifta, ngakwazi ukugrounda like into like i-drum or amatayere.
Yeah.
It's something engina 1 year ngiyenza. Previously benga bengayenzi, and I want to tell you ukuthi mengiqala ukuspina I struggled a lot nge-engine yami. I struggled a lot.
So bafethu, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below. Uthi Soweto Sikhetho. Currently you are watching Equator and Chill. It's a football. So make sure you follow me bafethu Katlego Ntariana _Mula. Then you follow Equator and Chill bafethu on all digital platforms. Bese kunamanye amajito amangishuthayo bazofaka into zabo la. Yeah, managing. Yes, my sister baningi manje
Bafake nezami.
Yeah, bazofaka ama-tag, yeah, bazofaka nawakho. Ngafake nje, yabona ngiyakhomba kusho ukuthi tag.
Yeah.
Tag. Nahluleka mina ngisazi. So my sister again. Bosaqhubeka ukuthi spinning is expensive.
I was saying ukuthi spinning is a very expensive sport. Akho lula, akho easy. Especially when it comes to maintain an engine.
Hey,
I-engine iyadura, and it also depends on ukuthi ufuna ukuspina nge-engine enjani. So mina uqala kwami ukuspina i-team ebenginayo from Thokoza ngangispina nge-M20 2.9. Angispinanga because ngangisokola. Siyayisokolisa sheme i-engine, angispinanga kangako. Until ngihlangana nomunye ubhuti Duduza kuthiwa Poison. Yeah, Poison ngiyakhumbula ngibamba ngesandla athi kimi phuma ku-M20 iza ku-multivalve, let me help you. And at that point in time, mina ngingena spinning mengizoqala ukuspina ngangisafunda ukuba u-DJ. I wanted to be a DJ.
Alala.
Ngifunda uku-DJ la e-Orlando ku-DJ Java Suchabu angifundisa. I was so serious. But kwaba nento nje kwafika into ama-BMI ngayeka. Sengina-earphones, senginayo yonke into ngayeka. I was like, no, let's go for spinning. Poison angibamba ngesandla athi kimi ngizokwenzela so when I just buy an engine and I'll build it and fit it into imoto yakho ngizongibhadala as ungibhadala over time. And I remember we went no Poison angisakhumbula ukuthi saya engine then or saya kuphi sayithola i-engine ye-multivalve ye-28. Labelungu laba bathi bafuna 18,000 but mana cash give us 15k. Poison wakhuluma nabo uPoison bekazi nomfana osebenza lapha lo mfana wakhuluma nomlungu wathi okay nginikeze 13,000 cash. Shahamba sayoyidrawa sabuya sayobanika wayenza wayihlanganisa imoto uPoison within 2 weeks. January I remember I got my car. Sebi multivalve ngangabelieve amandla wakule moto leyana. And I used to drive it near esikolweni, I mean emsebenzini. I used to drive it near emsebenzini ngibuya. And mina ngumuntu drive i-automatic.
Yeah.
So it was not the first time, but I've never had imoto yama gear, After a license I just stuck to automatic. So mara ngizwe ukuthi hayi mani iklasha ayikho right. Ngimfonela uPoison athi uPoison ngimtshela ukuthi nginenkinga so athi nalo you can't come to Duduza all the time. I have to give you phone number ya somebody ngalapho elokishini eDitufu bazokunceda. And then anginikeza inamba athi uGayi wakhona igama lakhe uSikhalo. Ngifone again.
Khalelwa kuwe.
uSikhalo ngifone ngikhale ngithi mfethu nginenkinga so athi okay after work dlula la eDitufu endaweni so ngizoyicheck imoto. Bayicheck bayibhide and that became my team. And we traveled. Durban, sihambile shem. Sihambile sitravulile iDurban, sitravulile indawo eziningi kakhulu. We traveled a lot neteam yami, Limpopo, Venda, a lot. Until bathola imisebenzi and then I got a new team team yami yamanje.
Yeah.
And still traveling. I mean, beginning of this month we're Lesotho. Supposed to be going to Botswana. I'll be going to Limpopo again. This coming weekend, Mzamengu, Chef James. his 11th birthday party
Ngilapho lami.
at Wheels and Smoke. You know, so what I'm trying to say, ukuthi spinning asikho lula in terms of his skill, and spinning asikho lula in terms of imali. To buy an engine khona manje i-multi-valve mhlambe you have to spend around 28k.
Oh,
But manje sekudume i-engine ebizwa ukuthi i-VQ.
VQ.
Wonke umuntu ufuna i-VQ. And i-VQ ngathi ihamba like bo-40.
Inani
Ngathi
VQ.
kune-VQ 25, VQ 35 angazi ngoba anginayo.
Uyayifuna mara.
No, angiyifuni, ngihappy nge-multi-valve yami. Ngihappy nge-28 lami. Angina stress. Yonke into engiyenzayo nje ngiyenza because ukuspina kungilethela i-joy.
Yeah.
Yabo, yabona number plate yami ye-drive car yami ukuthi ujoy.
Joy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So ngine-spin car, nginama-spin car ayi-2, nginama-drive car ayi-2. So it just brings me a lot of joy.
Yeah.
And I think hence ama-number plate awo akajoy.
Joy.
Yeah.
So noma 32554.
Yeah, ayi-2 aspinayo, ayi-2 adrive.
Oh, so mongifuna ukushaya music video ngalanda we.
Ungangilanda mara uzongibhadala.
Ungayenzi lento leyo.
Uzongibhadala.
Esowethu asibhadalisani.
Hayi uzongibhadala.
Ubhadala la belunga basesentheni
Okay.
angeke uzongibhadala siyabarobha mamela uze music videoini awungikubhadali
Yeah.
uyaspina mangiyikhipha bayangibhadala ngiyakubhadala
Oh.
yashe suka.
Okay.
So to intombazana that wants to venture into spinning, which advice can you give them?
Mina, to intombazana efuna ukungena into spinning, what I'd like to say is that spinning siyashota singamantombazana. Ku spinning siyashota singamantombazana la
Awuzweke.
eSoweto. Oh, thank you, ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga food power one time.
Siyashota singamantombazana la eSoweto. If i-passion yakho, follow your passion. Kungabi nomuntu ozokudiscourage because abantu bayakhuluma.
Yeah,
Abantu baney'nkulumo.
it's bad.
But you brush lezo inkulumo lezo away because angeke zize zikwenzele nix.
Yeah,
Nabo bagcina ngokukhuluma.
umuntu loyo.
Umuntu loyo. Follow i-passion yakho, beka imali, and don't let anybody discourage you no matter what.
Yeah,
Abantu abaningi izinto abazikhulumayo bazikhulumisa
abanye jealous ngiyanibona kuma comment. Yeah,
akukho kunye.
yeah.
Akukho kunye because kule industry ye spinning mawuthola i-support from people, especially as a female, that's the greatest thing.
Yeah.
That's the biggest and that's the greatest thing. And mina kuyo yonke into ngibonga i-family yami because i-family yami yangisupporta.
Shout out.
Ngibonga i-partner yami
Shout out
because
Khotman.
without him zonke lezi zinto lezi engizibalayo kube zingekho.
Yeah.
And ngibonga i-team yami.
Shout out team one time.
Team yami, without i-team yami uTankitali aka exist.
Yeah.
Ukukhuluma iqiniso.
Yeah.
I'm literally nothing, unalo nje.
Yeah.
Ongena nix.
Yeah.
But i-team yami iyangibamba, i-team yami iyangivusa, i-team yami iyanginakekela.
Yeah.
And akekho umuntu engimbongayo kakhulu uNkulunkulu for leyo nto leyo na for impilo yami.
Yeah. Yeah. So any schools maybe ongawisha ukuzivula, maybe government support, maybe one day you teach females how to spin.
Do you know,
Then
that's a
you
very
pick
good
it up.
question. Yabona mina mengayitholi funding, I would be more than welcome to open up isikolo sakaTankitali to mainly focus on our females because you know we are in a male dominated sport. I-adrenaline emadodeni ningabi, you know, and coming from eSoweto asikho privileged kangako. Mengayithola mina i-support from the government, I would definitely open up a school. And I would definitely teach women not only ukufundisa abafazi ukuspina, but to teach abafazi to have a backbone and to stand up for themselves and to go to school.
Yeah.
Isikole asipheli.
Yeah.
Isikole asipheli. Mina into engizitshele yona ukuthi my son is in grade 8, first year yakhe ka high school. Usasalele 4 years.
Yeah.
Nami ngisalele 4 years. Angazi ukuthi ngiyenzani, but ngisalele 4
4
years yaleyo nto leyo. Ngigraduateile 2 years ago ngicela i-degree yami enye. Khona manje this as ngisho ukuthi next month I'm graduating. I'm studying again khona manje.
Yeah.
So when my son finishes grade 12 yakhe, mhlambe nami at that point I'll have my masters and then I'll rest. but I just want to encourage females ukuthi it's possible. Like it's possible. Yonke into uyifunayo, and if you just put your mind to it and forget external influences and forget about people abaso phela. It's possible. Yeah.
So bafethu bengingathanda ukuyinweba i-conversation, but because of the situation eyenzakalayo ngaphandle sizokumele mina no my sister abuye for the number 2 episode, because I feel like we had a dope conversation and we still have a lot to talk about.
We have a lot to talk about. You know, I just want to even give you guys a snippet. Yintombazane Soweto. Angikhulanga ngizitshela ukuthi I've got a silver spoon in my mouth. I've worked hard for everything enginayo. And I've worked so hard ukuthi you must watch coming soon on DSTV something and it's God.
It's God. So bafethu, because of the weather, my sister bathi uTankitali ngegama. I'm sure for every certificate uyithola uyaspina ne. When spin lapha eveni ubagcwalisele ukuthi ubani.
Hayi ngifuna ukwenza ngifuna ukwenza show nyana estradeni just to celebrate my graduation, actually, because I'm proud. It's a big thing.
It's a big thing.
Like ngizishaya isifuba ngenye indlela. I'm proud of myself. Yeah.
I'm also proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm also proud of you. So you owe me episode number 2.
Okay.
Because of the weather. So shout out to everybody who's watching Bafethu. Most importantly, Bafethu, as a brand, as you said, big shout out to your team. Big shout out to my boys. Big shout out to my team also. When you are there as someone who's gonna make money for everybody as a brand, you need to be somebody who's willing to listen.
Yes.
So and always be humble. So to brands out there, Bafethu, mabakubonisa one of your team members, ungam undermine because uphethe camera, ungam undermine because uphethe intambo. Thatha lo input uyifake. Sometimes uzokusebenzela. Sometimes you are talented. The only thing that's killing you, your attitude. Ngegama ngoKatlego uNtariana Mula aka Mr. Soweto kaFela Motsiba aka Mr. Cool himself. Mangithi Soweto mina sithi Sigetho ne my sister.
Okay.
So manje ngithi Soweto
Sigetho.
Danko.